Morning, guys. Welcome to the Trucker John Show. Glad you could be here this morning. It is July 6th. It's a Saturday morning. It's about 6:30 in the morning here. We're about ready to get our day started. Just got done doing a pre-trip on the truck and trailer and getting ready to head back to the distribution center in Tobyhanna. Thanks for coming along for the ride. Okay, I think we're going to have another warm one on our hands today, folks. Not even 7 o'clock in the morning, it's already 77 degrees. And it is thick outside. A lot of humidity this morning.
In 1/4 mile, turn left and exit right.
Yeah, we got 98 miles or so back to the distribution center. We ought to be in there by 8:45. Let's see. I know there's a new ramp or something here. Oh yeah, I need to be right over in this left lane right away. Good thing it's early in the morning because this is going to be packed later on right here. Well, so far we've been lucky. We haven't had to go to Long Island. This is going to be our third day starting. So far, we've just been one load into New Jersey, a couple into Pennsylvania, and just the one here to Monroe, New York. Not that I mind too much going to Long Island. Being that I spent a lot of years in Long Island as a kid. I actually learned to drive a truck on Long Island. I went to commercial driver training in 1986, guys. 1986.
En route.
Went to a school in I think it was in West Babylon, New York. Got my license in 1986. That's back before the CDL. If I remember correctly, it was a couple of years before the CDL. And then when the CDL came out, you had to take a piece of paper into your employer. You filled it out and took it into your employer, and they signed it and saying you had been driving a truck for them for such and such amount of time or something like that. You took that down to motor vehicles and you got your CDL. Yeah, so I actually learned to drive a truck on Long Island. I kind of bounced around to a lot of different jobs when I first started, as many new guys do. But yeah, so I don't really mind going there. We'll see. Maybe we'll go there today, maybe not. Alright guys, we have just arrived back at Tobyhanna. It is 8:35, so we're right on time. I gave him an ETA of 8:45, so
Arriving at destination.
by the time we drop our trailer, it'll be just about perfect. Okay guys, we are departing back out of Tobyhanna now. I was told to go get an empty and take it down to Pottsville. So, I hooked onto the same empty I brought in. I knew there was nothing wrong with that one. And I'm gonna take that to Pottsville, about 75 miles, 80 miles, something like that. Hey, who's to argue? You know, fighting or marching, it all pays the same. All pays the same. So, we'll be doing another grocery load at some point, which is fine.
In 1 mile, turn left.
Most of the time that's gonna, you know, take up the rest of the day, so by the time I get over here, drop the empty, and probably have to wait on a dispatch for a little while.
Turn left.
Probably the day will be getting not too much time left by the time I get back to Pottsville, if I'm going back to Pottsville. Alright guys, I am still here in Pottsville, Pennsylvania. I do have a load, but I can't leave the yard right now because they are fixing a light problem on the trailer. They've been looking for the source of the problem. It apparently wasn't the bulb, it's something in the wiring. But I have a refrigerated load going down to Berlin, Maryland, which is down near Ocean City, way down southern Maryland. But so that should be interesting. Probably a lot of people down there in that area right now, but it'll be all right. I know I'm supposed to be delivered by 8:30, and right now, if I was leaving right now, I'd be there just a few minutes after 6. So hopefully to get this done soon. More than likely, 8:45 would be the latest I can work today, since I started at 6:45 a.m. So 14 hours later is 8:45 tonight. I would say I could make it into the stop and get unloaded, and then I'm going to be done for the day there in Berlin, Maryland, which is fine. Nice easy day today, right? Anyway, hopefully they get this done soon. Okay, finally out of there. It's 10 minutes after 2. Well, right now my GPS is telling me We're going to be there at 6:36. So we should be okay as far as our time goes. And this trailer is dog-legged and bad to the right, to the passenger side. By dog-legged, I mean it's angled off to the right a little bit. A good little bit. Okay guys, just doing a little walk around and check of the truck. Want to look at the temperatures of the reefer unit, make sure that everything was good, looks good. I guess I can kind of show you this trailer because it doesn't have nobody's name on it. Except for the back door, I think. Not even. Kinda. Alright, so yeah, really don't think I can show you who I'm pulling for you, but you guys probably already know who it is. That's okay, we just not going to say any names or anything. Quite hot out down here. I'm stopped at the service plaza just south of Allentown on the Pennsylvania Turnpike on the way down to Berlin, Maryland. Oh, it's 93 degrees here. Hot, very hot. Yeah, so we made a quick pit stop there at the service plaza just below Allentown. We're on the Pennsylvania Turnpike Northeast Extension, they call it. Highway number is 476. Got 184 miles to go. It says I'm going to be there at 7. Well, we've lost a little bit of time. I just lost 10 minutes by stopping. I stopped for 10 minutes. Alright guys, we just finished unloading. I thought I'd get a quick shot of that sunset over here in Berlin, Maryland. Pretty nice. I only have about 30 minutes left on my DOT clock, so I'm going to stay right here in the lot and leave out in the morning. I want to thank everybody for joining me here on the Trucker John Show, Give me a thumbs up, leave me a comment, and subscribe if you like the content, guys. Alrighty, we'll see you again. Take care now.